Hey, I'm Caleb with Woodshop, and today we're gonna recycle a pallet and make this very simple mail holder. So let's check it out. Welcome to Woodshop. And making this really fancy clipboard shop kit box.
Follow Woodshop cheer.
Making this awesome beer mug for your dead bird. I did not think that I was going to be making a Technic. I'm actually really happy with this. I think it looks really nice. You want another pallet project? That's what we're doing. Use a pallet, which I have on the floor behind me. You can't see it. You gotta take my word for it that it's actually there. I'm gonna make a mail holder. Let's get started. Building this mail holder doesn't actually require us to have to break down the entire pallet. I'm instead gonna just remove a section from it. It doesn't actually go all the way through, but that's fine. Flip it over and keep that cut. Now this thing has a ton of spider webs all over it. It's been sitting around the shop for a good minute, so you don't want to be that guy bringing a project into your house that's got spider webs all over it. Right? You want your spouse to hate your guts? No, because that defeats the purpose of having a spouse. God. Okay, I got the block off there, and I didn't include it because it's just a block that was held on by nails. You know, take a hammer, smack the damn thing off, and pop the nails out. Come on, you don't need help with that. This is gonna be our bottom. So what I need to do is take some width off of here. Now you do that on the table saw. God. Okay, here's the deal. Whenever you do a pallet project, you kind of get an option of how rustic do you want it to be. Do you want it extremely rustic? Just leave it like this, assemble the whole thing and put it together? Or do you want it slightly less rustic? I want it slightly less rustic because I don't want all this black gunk on here, probably dirt or something. And I think I want the tool marks on there, so I'm just gonna try to get rid of most of the dirt. I had a better idea. Oh, I destroyed my belt. Yeah, what I'm doing here now is pretty straightforward. I'm just gonna glue and screw the bottom. Depending on who you ask, you might want to countersink these holes, but I'm not going to because it's the bottom. Now just some more sanding. A lot more sanding. You know what I really like? Danish Oil. That's what I'm gonna finish this with. This is an easy project. I've only worked on this for maybe like 45 minutes. I like Danish Oil because you can just kind of slop it on like a pig and kind of just be done with it, and it makes the wood look great. And yeah, I know I'm sweaty, okay? This is Texas. This is like summer in Texas, okay? It's hot. Danish Oil, the choice of beginners and professionals alike. Pretty much all I've got to do is drill some holes. I'll probably use 4 screws to attach it to the wall. And I'll probably put some wall anchors. It's like one of the easiest projects I've ever made. If you've never made a woodworking project before and you want to, make this. This was so easy. I got it done in like less than an hour, so just drill some holes in there. I don't really give a damn if these line up perfectly. It'll hold it to the wall, but if you're one of those type of guys, then make your own and make them even. Just gotta take this to the house and put it up. It's in there, so that's it. Let's do a little test run. Works about as much as you would expect it to. That was a fun project. I really enjoyed this project. If you like this project and enjoyed the video, then give it a thumbs up. Also, just so you know, I do have a playlist that is nothing but pallet projects. So if that's your thing and you like that, check out that playlist. It's got everything made with pallets. Also, subscribe to the channel too, because I have new woodworking videos every single Friday. You know, still a lot of stuff like that. So, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next time.